Welcome to my channel. Are you ready to unlock the secret to cosmic oneness? Look no further than Mycalic Yoga. This ancient practice goes beyond traditional yoga to connect you with the cosmic energies that surround us. Mycalic Yoga focuses on aligning your body, mind, and spirit with the rhythms of the universe. By practicing this form of yoga, you can tap into a higher level of consciousness and experience true oneness with the cosmos. The key to Mycalic Yoga lies in its emphasis on breath work, movement, and meditation. Through these practices, you can release negative energy, open yourself up to new possibilities, and experience a profound sense of peace and unity. Imagine feeling more connected to the world around you, more in tune with your own inner voice, and more aligned with the universal flow of energy. That's the power of Mycalic Yoga. So, are you ready to take your spiritual journey to the next level? Try incorporating Mycalic Yoga into your daily routine and watch as your connection to the cosmos deepens and expands. Unlock cosmic oneness with Mycalic Yoga refers to a spiritual practice that integrates elements of Mycalic spirituality with yoga. Mycalic Yoga typically emphasizes connecting with spiritual forces associated with Archangel Michael and aims to align the practitioner with cosmic energies for spiritual growth and alignment. Here is a brief overview of what this practice might entail. First, Archangel Michael. In many spiritual traditions, Archangel Michael is seen as a powerful protector and guide. Mycalic Yoga may involve invoking this presence for protection, courage, and spiritual guidance. Number 2. Yoga practices. This could include various yoga postures, asanas, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques tailored to enhance spiritual awareness and connection with cosmic energies. Cosmic oneness. The ultimate goal is to experience a sense of unity with the cosmos, transcending individuality and connecting deeply with the universe's spiritual essence. Guidance and rituals. A spiritual guide or teacher may provide instructions on specific rituals, visualizations, or mantras, such as invoking specific divine names or qualities associated with Archangel Michael to deepen the practitioner's spiritual practice. It's important to note that practices like Mycalic Yoga are often rooted in specific spiritual traditions and beliefs. Practitioners typically engage in these practices with a sincere intention to deepen their spiritual connection and to align themselves with higher spiritual principles. If you are interested in exploring Mycalic Yoga further, consider seeking guidance from experienced practitioners or resources that delve into Mycalic spirituality and its integration with yoga practices. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more spiritual insights and practices. Unlock the secret to cosmic oneness with Mycalic Yoga today. Thank you.